So we're going to start building this now. Here's Joe.
Hello.
Joe's the guidance advisor. Now I've set the graphics card, no wrong, the CPU in so far, and now I'm going to put that in. Blue one, you say?
Mm-hmm.
And this just slides in, does it?
Yeah. Make sure you got the notch lined up.
Yeah, yeah. Hey? Oh, right. Oh, fuck's sake. Yes! Pause. Whilst we're doing this as well, we are doing sausages. Right, so the power unit's now in. Just going to screw it in because we like a good screw. And then we're going to break for lunch. Sausages. Okay, as you can see, we've just finished off the rest of it. If you missed it, you must have blinked, but it's all good to go. Kind of. Just waiting on the graphics card and hard drive.